Hello viewers, this is Sabiha Fatima and you're watching the program Know Your Constituency and Your Leaders. The constituency we are now talking about is Varuna. Candidates from Varuna for the Assembly election 2023 are Dr. Bharti Shankar from JDS, Siddaramaiah from Indian National Congress and V. Somanna from BJP. Varuna is a state assembly constituency in the Mysore district and southern Karnataka region and is a part of the Chamarajnagar parliamentary constituency. There are a total of 2,13,812 voters in the constituency that include general voters, NRI voters and service voters. The approximate literacy rate of the constituency is 61%. Indian National Congress won the seat in the 2008 Assembly elections with a margin of 18,837 votes, registering 50.23% of the votes polled. In 2018, Yatindra S. of the Indian National Congress won the seat by defeating T. Basavaraju of the Bharatiya Janata Party with a margin of 58,616 votes.